All right, we are live. Good morning. Good morning. Let me just double check everything's looking good here. Think so. Oh, crap. I'm in my Take Profit Trader account, not my MyFunded Futures account. All right, good morning, everyone. Just let me get set up here. This thing's coming down to a demand zone, but luckily there's no liquidity there, so I can't even trade it, even if I wanted to. All right, good morning, Matijuana. Okay, locking in here. Locking in. I did some studying last night. Was reviewing my past streams. Was seeing why does trading feel so much like I don't know, so much less smooth lately. I did discover something. Now I can't disclose what I discovered because it's something that I shared with the course members. But my trading will be a little bit different today. Not super crazy different, but enough to where it should make a difference in my performance. So we'll see. So let me check the news really quickly. This thing is just tanking back down. May just go and take out these lows over here. 9:30 p.m. news. Okay, so we have no news for the day. We had 8:30 news. Morning Jose, morning Skull. This setup doesn't look too half bad on the tick chart, but the market just opened, and yesterday we tried full porting at the market open, and it didn't go so hot, so might have to hold off. All right, let me sign into my funded futures account, and we can full port again today. We got one more shot at full porting. You basically get two shots because of the soft breach. One second. Signing into my funded futures. All right. I need to. Oh my gosh. I need to just hide my screen really quickly as I log in. Oh wow, and this is a decent trade here. Dude, I need to just start showing up more prepared. I don't know why I keep doing this. Okay. Bada bang, bada boom. Alright, luckily that setup has been getting tanked, so. Alright, what is the max contracts you can trade on this MyFunded Futures account? Mm, 5 minute looks like it wants to go lower. Let's just sweep the demand low. Could see a little bounce here, but I don't think I'm going to trade this. The market just opened. A little too hectic. Do you have Discord? Yes, it's in my bio. Max contracts. Oh, wow, the max position is 3 contracts, so 30 micros. Okay, so literally am full porting the max position size. Sweeps that demand low there. Now we're seeing a bounce. Let me drink some coffee. What's good, Cade? Cade? I'll just call you Cade. Not very locked in right now. I keep showing up to my desk late. It's because my sleep has just been terrible for some reason. And then I show up to my desk like right before market opens, and then I forget how long it takes me to get set up on my stream. Unfortunate. Why didn't you take that trade, by the way? I just wasn't like, I wasn't comfortable because I just got here. Like I wasn't confident in my own abilities there, given that I'm running all over the place, signing into different accounts. Luckily, I mean, that would have been a break even probably, so not the end of the world. But good question. Good question, because that means you recognize that that was a trade. All right, that zone has been pretty much violated, so no need to keep that on. We do kind of have this other area here that we're bouncing at right now. Again, market still is freshly opened, so... Ooh, that's also VWAP. You know, that was probably a trade right there, too, that I just didn't see. All right. Tomorrow, what day is today? Wednesday? Tomorrow I'm getting to my desk like a freaking hour early. I don't care how tired I am. Does he respond? Yes, Mimi, yes. This is TradingView. Oh, sorry. I need to get the watermark back on. Watermark. Where's the watermark? Here. Ticker, interval. Done. Play some magnificent chess before market open. Yeah, literally. My biggest issue right now is getting to my desk late and then just missing zones. As well as taking partials too early. Let's see if we can make today a green day. Yesterday was actually a green day. I forgot to tell you. I told the Discord, but if you were here yesterday, we ended on a small red day, but later in the day, I went to war and made it a small green day. Still small, so not like it matters that much, but better than a red day. And I need a haircut. My God, I need a haircut. I'm like OCD about my hair, and my hair is messy, but I'm OCD about how messy it is. Morning, Kim. Okay, so we're retesting this area. I don't know if I'm going to trade this area. The orders have pretty much already been taken. Could sweep this low. But, ooh, that was actually a pretty nice sweep. I might try that. I'm not going to full port it. What is ATR right now? 19? Holy Jesus. I'm long on my other accounts. Not full porting this. What is this? Okay, I'm not moving that stop loss. That stop loss should be good enough. I did not realize the ATR is freaking 19. Jeez. We'll go to a break even. And you know what? We're going to jump down to a 987 tick chart. Okay. Dude, are we going to just have another day of no trades? Of just back and forth break evens? I literally can't take that. I'm going to lose my mind. All right, break even. My God, dude. I'm so over this. These past couple of days, it's just no trades are actually following through. All right, so what I'm going to do is I might re-enter this. Why am I even... You know what? Let me just full port this My Funded Futures account because I don't even want to trade this account anymore. Oh, I just tried to buy 500 contracts. Okay, I'm just full porting that. This is probably going to blow up, but I literally don't want it. I thought full porting would be fun, but it's actually just messing with my other trades. So just going to leave this. No stop loss because there is the breach. It's literally just either going to go or not. I honestly hope it blows up so that I don't have to trade My Funded Futures, because My Funded Futures, I can't connect it to my trade or my NinjaTrader. So it's like separate from everything that I do. This would be the one to work out, so you have to keep it. Be careful. Careful, don't jinx it. Wait, this is a zone right now, right here, is it not? Yeah, I'm not paying attention, dude. My trading lately has just been so sloppy, it's not even funny. That was a great zone right there. Liquidity sweep on this wick. into the area of demand. Well, at least we're full porting. Still got the full port position. I should be in this trade with all my accounts, but I wasn't paying attention. Again. We're right at VWAP right now. Meaning we could just chop around here. Could even come back to that level. The level that I'm most interested in longing would be right here. Buying there. But that assumes that this level doesn't work. What's the best prop firms to trade MNQ? I mean, you can trade MNQ on almost all of them. So it's really just about what's the best prop firm in general. Best prop firm in general for your first evaluation account, I always say Apex because it's the cheapest, so it doesn't really matter. You can blow it up 100 times and you're not going to go bankrupt. But once you actually have a working strategy, I actually just made a TikTok on this, by the way. That's like 4 minutes long. It gives you literally the start to finish guide on how to start trading, basically. But Take Profit Trader is the best, as well as My Funded Futures for serious traders. If you're just starting out, I would say Apex Trader Funding, but do not activate your account if you pass your Apex Trader Funding, because it's the most expensive and one of the worst for payouts, apparently. What about Top Step? Everyone asked me about Top Step. I probably should try to get an account with them. I just haven't used them yet, just because I don't know. I honestly don't know. Oh, wow. Okay, well, this gives me an opportunity to enter on my other accounts. So let's see if I can get that. Yeah, I've heard good things about their trading platform. Alright, I'm trying this on my other accounts. Okay. That's an 11-point stop. ATR is 16, so technically this stop loss may be too small, but... Oh, there goes the My Funded Futures account. Wow. Two losing trades in a row caught by full porting. And on my other accounts. Wow. Wow. Okay. Now this is the level that I was actually most interested in buying, so if this gets blown out, which it looks like it is, what is going on? ATR is 16, and that is 10, but I'm going to keep it because I know this market is about to just keep going down. Okay, starting the stream off strong, boys. Starting the stream off freaking strong. Just losing everything. My God. Trading has been impossible these last couple days, even though I have even though I have not had a big down day yet. Hey, looks like today's going to be the day. Although I said that yesterday and it wasn't. And I also said that the day before and it wasn't. Well, my funded futures account, we tried full porting it. Both trades. Both trades. You only get 2 trades full porting, and both trades were losers. So, that's that. That's why you don't full port. I have to sign into my actual accounts now. FOMC in 10. I did not see FOMC. Am I tripping? What's going on? Am I high? Oh God, TikTok's not gonna like that. All right, let me sign into my other accounts. God. 1 second. I'm just switching back from the full port account to my actual slow and steady growth account. Okay. Boom. Boom. All right, let me check this news because apparently I am missing something. Where is news? FOMC in 10. I don't see that anywhere. Can somebody tell me if that's... I don't see that on Forex Factory. I don't see that. In the markets today, yesterday, they just open and they just dump. It's like peak Trump markets all over again. All right. Do I even want to try to catch this bottom? Let's see. Oh yeah, don't. Yellow news does not matter, guys. Yellow news does not matter. Red news, red folder news is the only thing that matters. I'm not even going to look at how much I'm down right now because I know this is just going to make me more annoyed. 2 losing trades in a row. Not that common for my strategies. So, and yesterday I think we had 2 losing trades in a row as well. So the markets are being difficult. Luckily, I had smaller stops than even what I'm supposed to have. And that saved me probably a good amount of money. This is kind of a zone right here. It's just a massive demand zone. I might try it though. Let's see. Let's see how price reacts in here. It's also next to that lower band, lower VWAP band. All right, trying it again. Okay. Can we get some move? My God, I am begging. I'm actually on my knees begging for the market to actually make a move. Because the only thing it does when I'm in my trades are break even, choppiness for the last 3 days in a row. Oh, TikTok, you can't even see this. Not like you're missing out. I've been so negative lately. The market's really taking its toll on me. Dude, this has been the past 3 days. Just enter, get a small move, and then break even. It is unbelievably annoying. Yeah, this is going to be a break even. Yep, there it is. And let's see what happens at these lows. See if we get at that lower band. Okay, are we gonna get a move? Are we gonna go? Are we actually gonna move? No, we are not. Just right back down. You know what? Let's stay break even. Oh my God, just move. The last 3 days in a row, it's nothing but break evens. Small wins, small losses, break evens. I just want a full-sized winner. I just want one full-sized winner. This thing is going to sweep again. Yep, there it goes. Sorry I keep complaining, but if you've been watching the streams, you know it's just been just the worst. All right. Okay, can we get a move? Can we get a move? Can we get a move? Just move. Just go up. Just go up. You really don't have to go. I'm not trading the zone anymore. That's 3 times already. I'm not trading it anymore. And there it goes. There it goes. Dude, I might have to take a break from streaming again. I might have to just take a break from streaming. Because it's not working right now. I was trading great. Now I'm just on tilt every day. And missing the moves by a millisecond. I don't want to take a break from streaming. I like streaming. but I don't like it enough to not be able to trade. Like, look at this choppiness. Just freaking 1 billion wicks. 1 billion wicks, please. That's what I love. It's so tilting. It's not streaming, it's your system criteria. Step back. I think I'm actually going to stop reading TikTok chat. It's literally just always people preaching about how they know better. The system's rules are fine. The problem is stupid human error that I keep making. I'm not reading your chat anymore, man. It's like this subgenre of TikTok commenters. They're like all the same. They just join live streams to talk about how they know better. Okay, let's get ready for the next trade. I don't think I'm going to trade this zone again unless we get a nice sweep of these lows. That is part of the system rules. They're polluted with the TikTok influencer guru traders. Yeah, it's like this subgenre of like frat dudes or ICT. Corbin, if I was nice to you before, then maybe I'm just reading into your comment too much. It's just that there's a lot of people that come in the chat and start preaching. It's like, I'm good. I'm good. By the way, guys, do you guys remember that guy in yesterday's stream on TikTok saying, let's have a trading competition for 10K? And then he was like, I'll message you. I'm serious, bro. I'm a pro. He never messaged me. So, like, that's what I deal with on the TikTok chat. It's just, like, the dumbest. So, that's why I'm so easily annoyed with TikTok commenters. Even if you don't mean bad, it's just, there's too many. It's too many people. All right. This is looking like it's going to go back for the lows. It's actually kind of taking out some lows right here, which may be enough to keep fueling it. Do you want me to read that comment, Roxanne, because of my voice? Is that what you want? Because I could do a good impression of that. Take the last London low, then reverse. Stopped me out, then goes classic. Yeah, I know, man. This market has been not as easy to trade as last couple weeks, where it would just have an actual nice trend. I mean, there is a trend, I guess. It's just down, but I'm not shorting the market. You guys know I don't like shorting the frickin' market. Because the second I do, that's when it's going to go up. This market does not want to go up even a bit. I know. It's ridiculous. You just can't get a single move. An actual meaningful move up. When did we do it yesterday? Yesterday we had some moves. Yeah, yesterday we had some big moves. I missed it here. That was a great trade. I just missed it. And then here I don't even remember if that was a trade. And then here again, later in the day. So, let's see. Ooh, that had a lot of volume there. Okay. Not sure I like that price action. I mean, at this point, I don't even know if it's worth trying to buy this thing. It's just on a rampage down. And now we're close to these lows. I might try to buy it just for the sake of frickin' trying. Because yesterday, I've actually... It almost feels like I've been over trading, but when I look back, I'm kind of under trading because I missed these massive trades because I'm too cautious. So... I just that big down candle there is not what you want to see in this case. I know nothing about trading, but I spot talent. That's funny. I thought we were friends, Piotr. The hell? Bro said bad spotter. Do I have to show you guys the track record again? See what I mean? See what I mean? I'm under trading. I should be just taking the trades when I just feel like it. I'm under trading. Like that. God, no. That was a tough trade. That was a really tough trade to get into. Maybe we'll get a pullback. Again, the thing that I'm worried about is this low here. That low might want to be tested. At least you get all your losses back with 1 W, so even if it doesn't work out, you're good. I know. But the problem is, this market is not moving. Or when it does, I'm frickin' too tilted to even get in. Like, I don't think we've had a full winner. Maybe I'm exaggerating, but it feels like I haven't had a full winner in like a freaking week. I just need one, which just goes to show how crazy it's been. Just one actual move. Problem is, see, like these types of moves, it's like the market looks like it's going to just keep going down, and then that's when it actually starts going up. It's been very tough to actually spot the reversals. Like that candle, 9 out of 10 times, the next candle after is going to have probably a long lower wick or something. Not just a small doji and then a reversal. That's a high volume candle right there. Interesting. Interesting spot for a high volume candle. I know, Skull. The market is a great rage baiter. Well, nothing I can do now. Bro, stop gambling. Okay, I'm actually done reading TikTok comments. I hate TikTok so much. Problem is, it has the best algorithm. If you want to leave a comment, you can go watch on YouTube and deal with the YouTube fam. We had someone in the Discord pass their evaluation today. So that's nice. Rejection of the VWAP there. Quite the rejection. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's so peaceful not reading TikTok comments. I already feel better. Alright, so we're going right back down. This sweep low. You know, there's technically a zone right here. Don't think I'm going to trade this zone to the left. Man, what a weird day. Past few days, they've just been very strange. Just tough markets. Alright. I'm not going to trade this zone. Because if we do get down in this area, the probability of us hitting that low is probably higher. Okay. Market's going crazy. Yeah, man. Well, all I can do right now is wait. Caught that short from the pump. I'm done for today. Made 4K. Nice, man. Short from the pump. So you got short up here. That's a good one. That's a good one. That was the right move for sure. Yesterday, it's like the market goes up overnight and then just dumps in the open market open. That's what we've done for the past, God knows how long. It feels like freaking months, even though it's only been like 2 days. We did it here. Market opens, dump. What did we do last time? Here. Market opens, dump. Here. Market opens, dump. Yeah, wow. We just keep dumping on the open. And then the rest of the day is relatively choppy or slightly up. And yet somehow on the daily chart, well, actually the daily chart is pretty consolidated. This is technically an order zone. We'll see what price does there. If we come in there quickly, it might be worth a little try, little scalp. But right now it's just going back up. Yeah, the only issue with this is that it's right next to a low. So, ideally, we just kind of take out this whole area with one candle, maybe two. Then we trade down here. That would be nice. But knowing how the market's been the past few days, probably not going to happen. We'll see. We'll see. Dude, I just want one freaking good day. Past few days have just been unbearable. Let me check my Take Profit Trader account. I think we have yet to have a full winning day in like, let me see, one second. Just gotta make sure I don't show my password. That's the worst thing about Take Profit Trader. For some reason, your username and password is on your performance page. So like, I could so easily just accidentally show my username and password, which is absolutely stupid. So here it is. So even though I keep complaining, we're still in a general uptrend. Now today we're back down to like this area, which is really annoying for now. But like 1, 2, 3, 4 since July 9th. Jesus Christ. July 9th. Since July 9th, I've yet to have a full winning day. It's just these small little green days or small losing days. Now, today's a big losing day so far, so let's see if we can turn it around. You have to take base hits on these current markets? Yeah, I know. That's what it's looking like. It's like you just gotta scalp it. As soon as it goes up, you just gotta freaking take your money. I've had, what, 2 trades today that went up a little bit, decent amount. Not a whole lot, but a decent amount. And then just boop, right back down. Break even. And then the other trades just straight blown out of the water. So there's actually an interesting short setup potentially here. Got this ABCD pattern right into this order, or not, let's be an order zone. Not really. ABCD pattern right into this area here. Could be interesting. Lord knows if I try shorting this market, that's when it's going to go up. So who knows if I go short? Only moving between VWAP. It's at VWAP right now. July 9th. That was last Wednesday, so it's basically been a week straight of trading break evens, small winners, small losses. An entire week. That is absurd. Trading platforms that have an auto break-even feature. I'm not too sure, to be honest. I think NinjaTrader has something that you can do that with. Auto break-even. Daisy, thanks for the heart. See, that's the problem. I gotta pull up TikTok once in a while just to see if, in case somebody sent me something, because I don't want to be a douche and not read those. Thank you, Daisy. All right. Now this is a bearish order zone. If there was any market to trade a bearish order zone, it is the one that we are in right now. See, I missed this market right here. Just nice and steady uptrends. Dum, 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 dum. Gotta open my booster packs while this market chops around. All right, chat. Chat, should we short? Should we do the cardinal sin of shorting? The impossible task of shorting. Okay, we're up there. I am in a short. You're shorting. Cool, cool, cool. Well, market's just blowing through that. In typical fashion, that's why I hate shorting. I'm not short right now, but that's why I hate shorting. For any reason in particular I don't like shorting, this right here. The market just likes to go up. Except for when I buy. No, it's just harder. My strategy uses really small stop losses, so I need to get really precise entries, and it's way easier to get precise buy entries, although not lately. It's way easier to get precise buy entries than precise short entries, because the market just naturally has more buy orders than sell orders at almost all times. So you're kind of always going against the grain if you're shorting, So I try to avoid shorting unless it's a really nice opportunity. In this case, I don't know if I would consider this a really nice opportunity anymore. Was a high volume candle, but a high volume candle that closed above the zone. Not on the 2-minute chart, but still. Yeah, I'm just going to avoid shorting today. I'm just not going to do it. That would make me unbearably tilted losing on a short. Despite the fact that I would like a win very badly. Just consolidating up here. Not much going on. Starting to look a little heavy on the tick chart. Not going to short it though. And that's probably going to bite me in the butt. Of course. Classic. Dude, I'm... whatever. Yesterday we had like freaking 10 trades. Today we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang, we've had 6 already. high volume in these candles. I'm bored. Just waiting for this zone down here. The yawning begins. Oh my God, we're doing nothing. There's something. Is it time to lock in? right, let's see if we get a move. See if we can get a move. All right. Just waiting. That's all I can do. So many break evens. Yeah, don't sweat it, man. It's been like that. Oh my god. Do we bring out the chess, man? Do we bring out the chess? Are we really gonna have to bring out the chess? Is that the market that we're in right now? Just take 2 losses and then nothing? Matijuana, it looks like you did find the break-even feature. Nice, nice, nice. Skull, I'm not even gonna bother playing you in chess. I know I won't even come close to beating you. I want to play something I'm good at so I can feel like I'm winning. Because I'm not winning right now. See you, Simple Trade, or see you, Santiago. Nice trades today. Crunker. Yeah, Crunker was, but it's not that fun. I did just re-download DayZ. I'm not gonna play that. That's very boring for a stream, but if anybody plays DayZ, this is so boring. Lyric? I don't know who Lyric is. This is depressing, man. This is depressing. Depressing past week. There's just no movement, man. Just... Santiago, please don't preach. Don't be a TikTok guy. But thank you. What indicators do you use? What is your plan? I just want to get some opinions. Only indicator I use is ATR. Oh, and VWAP. VWAP. I have a whole video on VWAP. Daisy is so peak. Yeah, I played it like 2 years ago, and then some hacker got into my account and got me banned. VAC banned. So I was just like permanently banned, couldn't play it at all. So I literally had to just buy another copy of it on another Steam account. Just to play it again. This is a bearish order zone right here. Just barely took out those highs. And it's dumping. Let's see. Hello from South Africa. Ooh, what's up? Hello from America. God, I have a lot to do today as well. I need to film. I was going to film a video for YouTube. Need to make some shorts. Trying to grow my accounts again. I took a break because I was doing so much other stuff. But I don't want to end this day on such a depressing note. So I'm going to stay on here as long as I can. I'm not going to break my rules. I'm just going to sit here and wait. How long it take you to be profitable? Too long. Too long. Hey, I might be unprofitable right now. This might be the end of my streak. It's all coming to an end right here. Alright, let's see. I think I'm willing to short this up here. Oh, wow. Okay. Wait. Okay, my software is glitching. It is not showing this candle. It is not showing that. What is going on? Why can't I just trade? Why can't I just trade without a glitch? I can't trade this. I can't trade this. I would love to trade this, but I can't because look at the tick chart. It's like delayed. What a short that would have been too. Dude, it's been impossible for me to trade. Like, it's just actually been impossible. Whether it's a software glitch, like, or I'm just overthinking it. It's just been impossible for me to trade. I can't even trade this right now because I have different charts. Same exact instrument, just different charts for some reason. Just completely delayed. Oh, great. And look. My freaking Replicanto. My Replicanto is glitching as well. Dude. You can't make this up. Like, what is happening? It said I had open positions. And I'm gonna lose my mind. This is a trade right here, and I just couldn't take it because my software is just completely out of whack. Like, are you kidding me? Are you serious? Dude. I don't understand. I don't understand how I'm supposed to trade like this. Software just not working. Like, how... What do I pay for? What am I paying for? Works fine when I lose, and then right when the trade happens, I can't get in because all of my software just goes crazy. Like, are you... How is that even possible? How is the data off on NinjaTrader and TradingView? How do I have two different data sets on the same... Dude. I can't believe this, dude. I actually can't believe this. Like, how is it possible that one person can have this much bad luck? And yes, TikTok, it's luck. Look at what just happened. I had no control over that. Jesus Christ, dude. I don't even know how to fix that. How do you fix just bad data? Dude, I may stop streaming, guys. I'm not gonna lie. My trading has been terrible. I mean, I'm literally not even losing, but not doing the performance that I should be doing, and it's just like been nothing but glitches and just having so much to deal with. It just is impossible to trade like this. Not sure how people do it. My internet is pretty fast, Chad. It should be fine.